Welcome back to another video. How are y'all doing today? I hope your day is going well. So this is an exciting video. I sold the STI and I'm going to go pick up another car. One of the main reasons why I sold the STI was it needed a lot of work. After I, did some digging and just looking at the car overall, there was a lot of work that needed to be done. I sold it and I'm using that money to go pick up another car, and I'm super hyped with this one. People always say that they're slow, but you can't even use all that power anyways, right? So it's a BRZ. I am gonna go pick up a 2013 BRZ manual. I'm hyped. I'm super hyped. So yeah, there's not much else to say. There are a lot of things the reason why I love the BRZ is because there's so many. What's this guy doing? There's so many mods available for this car. Like, the platform is huge, and like there's endless mods that you can do. So I'm super hyped about this. So I'll catch you back in the next one. Let's go get that. Let's get that car.
The next day.
All right, everyone. It's the next day, and I got it. I got the BRZ. It's right here. Oh, I'm so hyped. I didn't film yesterday, but I picked it up because, let me tell you something. I had, when I picked it up, it wouldn't start. It wouldn't start. I had to go buy a new battery for it. So that was kind of a hassle. That was extra $250 out of my pocket to buy this thing. But regardless, so be it. Here it is. Before I forget, let me do a little cold start, because it is kind of loud. Let me pull it outside and get some more light in here. In the parking garage, it's kind of dark. All right, let's go. All right. So far, driving it has been amazing. I think I can see why so many people have these cars, because it handles so well. Obviously, it's not the fastest thing around, but oh my god. I don't know, you gotta drive one to understand what I'm saying. You know the saying, it's fun to drive a slow car fast? This is it. This is literally what that saying means. Driving a BRZ, I know it's slow and all, but you don't need to go that fast. All right, so manual has 102,000 kilometers. First things first, this needs to come off. Let me, you know what? Oh shit! All right. This needs to come off. I don't know why this, this is not an STI. Sorry, dog. Mine has one too on this side. Yeah, let me get rid of this. Okay, done. It has an aftermarket head unit, but there's no Apple CarPlay. See, this needs to come off. This was like an STI carbon fiber trim for this. Again, this is not an STI, this is a BRZ. So, okay. It does need a bit of a cleaning. It's a little dirty, but I'll probably wait till the summertime to do that, because no matter what, I think no matter what that I do, it will be dirty, because it is kind of going to be driven all year round.
6.5 hours later.
I think it has a slight exhaust rattle, but I'm not too sure. I think I do want to get an exhaust that has 2 tips rather than a single exit. I think the HKS sounds really good. I don't want to make this car overly loud, and I think I want to get the Vanity brake light down there, I think. So we'll see. But yeah, here she is. I love driving it. It's so much fun to drive. I can see why so many people have this car. There's, okay, a little bit of a monster truck. Definitely gonna lower it. Oh, it has slotted rears as well. Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah. Inside is pretty stock. Nothing too crazy. I do need to clear this headlight because there's a pretty big difference between the two. You can see that one's a lot yellow. I'm debating if I should change the fog lights to yellow still. I don't know yet, but we'll see. And I definitely gotta fix this side marker. Once I fix that, I feel like everything will be pretty good. I'm excited. Yeah, so I did have to change the battery when we picked it up yesterday, but I have a brand new battery in there and everything else is pretty stock, just besides that Tanabe front strut bar. Other than that, yeah, stock motor, stock FA. All right guys, well, thank you so much for watching another video today. I hope you are excited as I am for this Honda Fit. Oh my god, I hope you're excited for this BRZ build that I have coming up. I gotta order some parts, do some little changes on it, but I'm excited. So thank you so much for watching another video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.